Love Lauren is generously supported by SB Fabrication and Parts. Hey guys, it's Michael here from Love Lauren. I've just been cleaning out the shed and I've got a couple of old engines to get rid of. So as subscribers of the channel, you are very fortunate to be in pole position for the opportunity to acquire either one or both of these engines. This is a 3 horsepower Briggs and Stratton IC with a 5/8 inch shaft, and this is a 2 horsepower Briggs and Stratton, I believe, with a 5/8 inch shaft. Alright, I just turned these around so you can see the shafts as well. This one's got a little bit of an indentation in it from the retaining screw that was attached to it, but the keyway itself seems to be alright. The shaft's not too bad. This shaft's pretty good, I think. Both engines are running. This one was started a couple of days ago. This one was started a couple of years ago, but it was running the last time it was on a mower. And I don't know, make an offer. Probably after about 50 or 80 bucks each. Make an offer for both of them if you want them. One of the perks anyway of being a subscriber to the channel is that you get first dibs. They'll be going up on the for sale groups eventually otherwise. If you're interested, there's a link in the video description to the Facebook page. Click on that, send me a message at Love Lauren, and yeah, get in touch if you're interested in making an offer, see what we can do. Both engines are located near Scarborough in WA. Pickup is during the week by appointment, or on the weekend also by appointment. Easy peasy. Get in touch if you're interested, and don't forget to subscribe because I've got some more items to clear out in the coming days as well. Catch ya!